Kenong yalam jong Kongres Khuborjylla ke Deborah marang kalakam ba Watla kidon Tang Uwei UMLA Rilum Garo. Hynrei ke Kongres ke Skhem bat kedon ke jingkermen hakini ke election MP ke Bansalong Shen. Kuman syukurau hang ni ke Kongres ke Laterwa de usaleng sangma kum kurtong MP hakini ke election natura parliamentary seat kat bana Shillong pat en airing de MP bementahi uba Vincent H. Pala.
See, in Garo Hills, Congress party is still there. Okay, with one candidate also, we have decided to fight in coming election. So, if you think that way, we have 24 constituency with one Congress MLA, you mean to ask me. It depends on the voters. It doesn't depend on the leaders. Whether you have more MDCs or MLAs, but it is different dynamics in the election. So really, you cannot say ki they have more MLAs, MDCs, you will get more votes. It is not like that in the election. It depends on the voters. So we are gearing up our election activities in Garo Hills. We have visited all district headquarters. We have district presidents, block presidents, polling stations presidents. So we together as a team, we work in the grassroots level. But now people want to change. They want to change. They want to bring different leader from Garo Hills as
And in
not is one hero today, lone lion in Garo Hills. This lone MLA, you all know. So we thought he will be the fittest person to fight in this election. That's what he is doing. He has gone to each and every places, meeting people, leaders. So a good response.